So this is the overview of the Mercedes SLK 2012, late 2012. Just a walk round of the exterior. It's a lovely dark silvery grey finish. Convertible, as you can see. Nice wide AMG branded wheels. Fantastic weekend car. Air vents at the sides to add a sportier look. Mercedes-Benz branded brake calipers. Taking a look inside. Got frameless windows, which is a very smart look. Leather seats with red stitching and a red seat belt. The classic Mercedes look on the air vents with the 360 control. A small 5-inch heads-up display. Media controls, as you would always see in a Mercedes, laid out in a very similar way. Automatic. Extra media controls here for your ease of driving, rather than having to faff with the ones up here sometimes. Going into the steering wheel. The lovely AMG look on the steering wheel there, continuing that red stitching. With also the classic Mercedes look of the time. Locking controls, wing mirror and window controls, lighting controls and ignition. Same on the other side. Stretchy door bins. Also with the red stitching and the leather to continue that sporty look. Glove box opens very slowly, as you'd expect in a Mercedes. There's the little things that count. Closing that up. Vanity mirrors. Very smart. Reading lights. Either side controlled. So if you break down or you're getting towed, you've got SOS systems and controls, along with your welcome light when you enter the vehicle. And turning around, as it's a 2-seat convertible, there isn't much space in the back, as you could assume, but we've got another bit of leathered storage, elasticated, a fairly big for the size of car, with auxiliary connections, USB connections, and in fact a 12-volt cigarette lighter in there too. Entertainment speakers and air vents for heads as well, which adds a sportier look again. Heated windscreen on the back here. Fully adjustable seats. You've got your lumbar and your length. Additional foot storage here too, which is netted. Another 12-volt connector. To access the convertible mode, you flip this up right by this gear stick and you push down or up, continuing on which way you want to go. Once the conversion has completed, you can choose to have the windows up or down, obviously adding to that extra convertible look. Now this is fantastic, look at this. So, completely easy to access. I could say you'd happily fit a couple of golf clubs in here, maybe not the full set, but a fair few. And that is the walk around of the 250 SLK Mercedes.